Hi guys, my name is Pratik Joshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking with you regarding certain things about the GMAT exam that no one usually talks about. Usually these things are avoided or basically everyone turns a blind eye towards them when it comes to the GMAT exam. Okay, this is not something to do in terms of the GMAT structure or the questions or anything. These are certain things about the GMAT which everyone knows but we just tend to ignore them or avoid them. This video is part of a two-part series. So this is part 1. Part 2 will be released in the coming months, so stay tuned for that. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Point number 1. What happens is, since the cost for the exam, that is GMAT, is $250, you cannot just go without proper preparation and answer and then see what results you get. This is the mindset for mostly 80 to 90% of the Indians. The first time always it is our family or friends who tell us, जाके एक बार एग्जाम आंसर करके आ, we will see what happens without studying. And then for the second time we see without studying we have got 70%, with studying we can get 80-90%. That is something which will not work in the GMAT. Okay, GMAT is something that you need to properly plan, because it is not just a one-time exam, it's a proper process that you need to follow. Be disciplined, and that is only when you will get results. Point number 2. There are 3 things which are more important than what you study for the exam. The 3 things are confidence, determination, and discipline. Even if you lose focus of even one thing, you're gonna impact your GMAT score by a huge margin. That is because if you don't practice every day, if you don't have the temperament to answer 30-31 questions in one sitting, in one go, you're definitely going to lose out on a lot of important points that can make a good total of 700 or more. Point number 3. As you know, GMAT is not the preferred exam when it comes to MBA admissions in India. The preferred exam is CAT. But slowly and steadily, many institutions are offering admissions if an individual has CAT or GMAT scores. So staying informed and staying educated is a priority. Point number 4 is basically timing your GMAT exam well. This is associated with how you plan on applying to your desired institution and on which admission round. As I would recommend, always plan to apply for the first admission cycle, because there are many perks associated with that. Mostly the application fee is less and you stand a better chance of getting admissions to your desired institution in the initial rounds of admission. So if you are planning to apply maybe in the first round, which is mostly held in August or September, then based on that you have to change your GMAT timeline. If you want more information regarding this, click on this link on top and you will get redirected to another video that I have created regarding a GMAT timeline. Point number 5. This is mostly the most basic question that you need to ask yourself if you're planning to answer the GMAT, which is, do I really want to be in the management sector in my life? Because if you are not interested in getting a job when it comes to the management sector, that is like if you don't want to be a project manager or somewhere in finance or operations or marketing, then maybe the GMAT is not the correct exam for you. So please ask yourself the question, that is management really the sector for me? If not, then there are different exams that you can concentrate on. It's better to be clear on what you want rather than getting clear that why don't I try this. Okay, because if the GMAT is not for you, then
It's all a moot point.
that's it guys for the part 1 video for this 2-part series. Part 2 video for this series will be releasing very soon, so stay tuned guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If this video has added any value to you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting for your queries and questions in the comment section below, and if you have any suggestions on what videos I need to make, drop them down in the comment section as well. I'll be seeing you for the next video, and stay tuned for the part 2 which will be releasing very soon. So until then, be happy, stay safe, and all the best for your prep.